guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look with this dark red lips and these shimmery eyes. And if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so NARS foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Barcelona. So just put that on. Blend it out. Alright, Infallible Concealer from L'Oreal in the shade Pecan. I want to try a new technique today that I saw on TikTok, but pretty much they do this part and then up this way. I don't know if that's actually going to work for me because I have really bad dark circles, but we're going to try. And then the inner lids as well. Alright, now to set my face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Warm Nude. Alright, let's fill in those eyebrows. Same thing, my Naked Basics, just the black shade. Just gonna brush them out a little. So I'm going to be using this NARS duo of blush and bronzer, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Very cute. And we'll just do circular motions right over there. It's a very light warm shade. Using a smaller little brush, I'm going to just do my nose contour. And so just on the nose. Now for highlight, I have this Milk Makeup highlight stick in, it's just called light highlighter, I assume. I don't know. That's what it looks like. And it's just a stick like this. I'm just gonna do a little bit up there. It's actually really nice. And then I'll blend it out with my finger. And then just using my fingers, I'm just gonna blend it out. It's a very creamy texture, which I like a lot. And then at the end, we're gonna go in with another powder highlighter as well. So that is the base so far. Now let's move on to the eyes. Alright, I have you guys really up close and personal to my face. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to start with just a neutral shade on top, just for blending. So we're going to use this shade Bare, and just put that all over. And now we're going to go in with the shade Play and just apply that on the lid. Now I want to do a little bit of a more brown shade just in my inner corners. So we're going to go in with Teddy and just start right here and kind of work my way upwards. have this Sephora glitter that I want to use. It's in the shade Twinkle Twinkle, and it's a very pretty glitter, and I want to put this on my, I can't open it. I'm just gonna use my finger. And then just gonna buff it out a little bit. Now I do want to make the edges a little bit darker, so we're going to go in with a warmer color. So let's go in with Raw, which is this pretty kind of like brownish shade, just on the edge right here. Just go a little bit in this way just to blend. And then I'm going to use this shade Love Bite, which is like this kind of deep purple shade underneath. Alright, so now we're going to do a little bit of a winged liner. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner pen. And I'm not going to do the full eye, just half of it. I'm going to go do the other one off camera. I'm going to be using the highlighter for my face also in my inner corner. So I'm using the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is in the shade Sun Dipped. We're going to use this shade Moonstone in the inner corner. Here, the brow bone. Now for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara for the top lashes, and for bottom lashes, I'm using the Telescopic Carbon Black mascara from L'Oreal. So back in with my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and we're going to use the same shade that we used on our inner corners, which is Moonstone, to highlight our face. So using a fluffier brush. Alright, that's everything on the face, and now let's do some lips. I'm going to go for a darker berry kind of lip, so I'm just going to use a lip liner from Annabelle in the shade Dubonnet. I don't know what that means, but that's the shade. Let's use Licorice from Bite Beauty. So that is the completed makeup. I feel like this is a very New Year's Christmassy look, but I'm definitely posting this after New Year's and Christmas, so you can wear this look wherever and whenever you want. Honestly, you're probably most likely going to be wearing it just at home because we're not going anywhere. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Some shit that I usually don't do, but for you I gotta